Hello and welcome to another video on audio, your favorite subject. We're Sonia and Kent, and we want to talk about subwoofer cables. Subwoofer cables. That's our topic for today. And we know that people are dying to know which cable to use. I mean, are subwoofer cables different from speaker cables, or are they the same thing?
They're the same if it's a passive subwoofer, but those are pretty rare these days. A passive subwoofer is something that was back in the day that you had like, no, that sucks. Back in the day.
But wait, you just said that they're the same on passive.
Yeah.
Most subs are active, right?
Yes. Well, yeah.
So then you need a different one. So then you do need a different. But that's not what you said earlier.
No, that's not what I said earlier.
All right.
Because I was getting out of a bumpy road with some old crap.
Back in the day.
Back in the day. Okay, today the subwoofer is typically plugged into power. You know, it's plugged into the wall because it has its own amplifier. And so that's why that it needs a signal cable instead coming from the stereo. So it's one of these RCAs. It's one of these. And so it's the signal. It's like a small signal sent to it, and then it amplifies the power up, and the power is, so the amplifier just needs juice from the wall. So, but if it's a old passive subwoofer, and I think that still exists, then it is just a regular speaker cable. You know, this is a pretty sad one, really skinny. I don't use it. Well, anyways, so why do I have it then? But so you would just use regular speaker wires for that one, and typically that guy will be connected to the amplifier at your stereo, and then your small speakers, satellites is also called, will be connected from there and out. So I mean, that will be the difference, you know, to what cabling you need if it's a passive or an active. An active, it will be these RCAs from your subwoofer out, line out on your amplifier. Or it will be named LFE if it's on a surround receiver. Yes.
So active just means that an amplifier is included in the sub.
That's right.
And you need this one.
Yes, you need a signal cable.
If there is no amplifier in your sub, then
yes,
it's passive, and you can use regular speaker wire.
Yes, and you need an amplifier at your stereo to power it.
You need to get that too.
Yes.
So what about direction? Are they directional, or are these subwoofer cables directional?
These cables can be directional if you're a sucker. if you're a sucker, that you can buy these with a little arrow on that says this way. Yep. But if you open a physics book, you will know that electrons don't know anything about that, and so the answer is no. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, that about wraps it up. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.